A crime punishable by death. The only way you can do this crime is by betraying your country. Like, for example, selling weapons to an enemy country or by giving refuge and comfort to your enemy. Some people have been tried for treason and most have been executed for their actions. For example, John Brown has been executed for treason by organizing army resistance to slaves. Another man who took part in the raid for the armed resistance was Aaron Stevens. He was executed as well. When you hear someone called a Benedict Arnold, that means that they're a traitor because he did treason. He had given information to the British when we were fighting them. No one will be convicted to treason unless there are two witnesses who have hard evidence that you did it. This is a federal law. You will not go to courtroom. You will stand before Congress and they will trial you there and then.
A citizen has the same rights in each state. A person charged in a state with a felony crime or commits treason who flees the state can be found, brought back to that state to be punished. Each state upholds the laws, records, and court decisions of all other states. For example, if you kill someone in Wisconsin and flee to Illinois, the state of Wisconsin will come bring you back to Wisconsin and prosecute you. In conclusion, no matter where you go after committing a crime, you will be prosecuted.
Article 4, Sections 3 and 4. The Congress may admit new states. Each new state will be guaranteed Republican form of government if it is a part of union. Each union is unique to fit each state's situation. No new states can be formed with the jurisdiction borders of any other state. States also can't be formed by the junction of two or more states or parts of states, meaning two existing states can't be joined together to make one. States can't be formed without the consent of legislatures of the states concerned as well as of the Congress, and shall protect each of them against invasion of another state taking land without making a deal with the other state. The Congress has the power to dispose of and make all rules and regulations respecting the territory or other property belonging to the states. Nothing in this Constitution regarding the states shall be construed as to prejudice any claims of the United States or of any particular state.
In the Constitution, the 5th article states that there can be new amendments added to the Constitution, but they have to start out in the House of Senate, and it has to pass with 2/3 votes. If it passes there, it goes to the 50 state legislators. It has to pass 3/4 votes. Then if it passes, then it becomes a new amendment.
I'm ready.
Article 7 Ratification states that the ratification of the conventions of 9 states shall be sufficient for the establishment of this Constitution between the states so ratifying the same. This means we only need 9 states out of our 13 to sign so we could become a country. On December 7th, 1787, Delaware became the first state to sign by unanimous vote. Delaware was not the first state to sign unanimous. New Jersey and Georgia also signed unanimously. Then on June 21st, 1788, New Hampshire became the 9th and final state to sign the ratification document. This whole process took 2 years to complete. Federalists were for the document and anti-federalists were against it. They were against it because they thought it gave too much power to the government, there was no Bill of Rights, and then the executive branch held too much power. Then on May 29th, 1790, Rhode Island signed as the 13th state.